before you cut or draw anything, you're going to want to line up the paper, the half sheet, against the whole sheet and draw a line where the two pieces connect. That's going to help you once you get to the place where you are drawing or flipping your shapes. So we have this line that divides this paper in half. Okay, notice how I have taken my half sheet of paper and drawn whatever my design is along one of the edges. So each one of the shapes has to be touching the edge. If it's not, like this shape is not touching the edge, that's a shape I'm gonna have to poke my scissors in. So remember, this design is gonna end up being flipped down. You could design yours this way, so it would be half and half, and then this is where you would draw half of something, and then the other half would appear when you create it, right? So that's the separation, but I'm gonna do mine this way. Next step is once I have my shapes drawn, I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so check out this shape. I even had this little shape inside, but we're gonna hold off on that for a minute. So here was my big shape of my house. I re-put it in where it goes. Then I'm gonna be flipping the whole thing. Now notice when I flip it, that little window that I had has gone away. If I wanted that window to be included, if it's a shape that didn't touch the line, I have to poke my scissors in. This is kind of a challenge. So shapes that aren't on the line are really difficult. So be mindful of that. So let's say I wanted this little window to be part of my design. Okay, there's my house. I'm gonna flip it. And then I would glue it here. Now these parts that I cut out, check this out. This is called a double flip. These shapes get flipped back into the space above. So if this shape was here, it's gonna get flipped back. So then it's the negative of the house below. See that? And then same with my snowman. I'm gonna take this, flip, and glue. So once all those pieces are glued, then I can take the big piece, put glue all the way on the back of this, and glue it down. Once you've glued down all your shapes, then you can use crayons, colored pencils, markers, or anything else you'd like, or even cut pieces of paper to add like a scarf or a hat to decorate your design.